Chose, make it hot.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Dre. I'm back with another video. Been here right now. Gonna go with my dad. Get it oil change. Where we going up to car lot. I got some cars I want to show y'all. See if they got some little cars over there. Alright, YouTube. You gonna ride at the dealership. Show y'all a couple cars up here. Little brother in the back. Dad over there. Bro, I like this BMW right here. It be hard. The 3 Series 2016. Huh?
I think this is V8. I think this
Nah,
is
it's V6.
You think this is one T on the hood?
Yeah, it's V6. Got a Super Duty right there. Sound like what I want. I think I want that. That might be somebody's car. I mean truck. Ooh, now this what I want right here, Arian.
Hey, look at this.
That Toyota. This what I want right here.
Why you still trying to get a Ford, bro?
Bruh, that be hard. You can't tell me this bitch ain't hard.
You gonna have to get a Honda or something.
Who, me?
That's a better class car. Nah,
I got that Camaro over here. They ain't got no charges over here. Like that Camaro though. I think it's a RS. Yeah, it's a RS. Little V6. 2016 L1LT. Motherfucker hard though. Little
I know.
automatic.
Daddy could have got something like this. He
don't want no 2 though. I get a Camaro though. A Camaro or a Challenger. They what car you want? They gotta be a 20. Might be a 2018. They ain't got no charges up here. But I wanted a Malibu, but everybody got Malibus now. You know what I want? A Dodge Ram? The Laramie. Ooh, that bitch got that big boy screen in it. They ain't got no, I don't think got no sun. I don't think ain't got no sunroof though. I ain't got no sunroof in it. I like that one. See, they got Impala up here.
What?
Right there. There's an LT.
Nah, I want an SS.
And we got sunroof on it.
And I got spoiled on it. And it's on.
It wasn't the same model, Daddy. Oh, it's 2012 though. How much that, Daddy? How much they want for this?
That bit brand new on the inside.
Yeah, that bit brand new. Bro, I can't get this bit. Be my little starter car for right now. 14,000. 14,000 ain't bad. That bit probably brand new. 14,000 ain't bad for a brand new Impala.
You gonna be paying on it.
I know. They got the V6 Camaro. Hey, they got a Scat up here, Scat Challenger. They used though.
Man.
Got them 6-piston Brembos on it. They don't want 40,000 for it. But it's a stick.
Man. It's unlocked too.
It is.
Yeah.
Ooh. But it's the only Yes, sir. Yeah, y'all can see me driving in. No, y'all can see me driving in, bit. Hey, somebody came and traded this in. They got the seat all laid back.
Yeah, he got bed sheet.
Hey,
It don't even matter if it's a $2 though.
I can see myself driving in. I thought it was a Toyota. I thought it was a Camry.
Yeah, I thought it was a Camry too from the front.
Hey, they more hard though.
Hey, look on the inside.
It got red interior. I got the architect seats.
They had red interior now. That's a skill.
Hey, more hard. Sunroof. Hey, I gotta get me one of these.
Bro, you got red seats.
Yeah, got that scat thing. And that's another scat, the wide body hit the scat pack. Just a regular 392. It locked. Got them 6-piston Brembos on there. Wanna go to this? Wanna look at that area? Did the one I want. This right here. Wide body thing. That B5 blue right here. It locked. They be hard.
The blue shit.
They got a blue. But just imagine me driving around in this. You can see me driving it? Huh?
Yeah.
Wide body.
I'm not driving it good. Imagine me driving.
Hey, look, you get this scat, I get the scat charger. Hey.
Nigga. See, I'd rather be doing it anyway.
Well, I told you. See, in Tuscaloosa, you ain't gonna find no wide bodies. There another one. You got a bunch of trucks out here. Hey, I get them auto charging. They got a regular V6 Challenger. Look, see this model right here, 2018 charging.
That's $110. I don't know if that's cheap or not, but
See, I get them model. This 2018. Hey, that bit hard. That bit got the peanut butter interior in. That bit hard. Got the peanut butter inside. Oh, that's somebody's car. You get them model? V6. Hey, they got some more chargers back there. And Challengers. Like that Corvette. Hey, that's the Durango, the V8 one. They got a Hellcat version of this too. This the V8 model. The Durango.
You get one of these?
Hey, yeah. How much they want for it?
Why granddaddy don't want to fuck around? You want to do what?
Huh?
So why granddaddy gonna mess around? You want to do
Who Granddad Stewart?
No, granddaddy John.
Oh. That's a regular RT. Yeah, these bitches hard. This the only Durango I get. They go GT, the white one. That's a GT model. That's a V6. There's another GT right here. Might be an XXT. That's just a regular V6. Here go V8. Daytona. This the one I want right here. That destroyer gray.
And then look at the top mat too.
Ooh, that be hard.
Run in the Hellcat.
It's not a hell night. I'll tell you. 2018 Hellcat.
I'll be on there.
Nah, see, man.
You got some.
They got sunroof in it.
Then the real.
Yep. Hey, this used though. Here go another one, Ariane. This 2019 though. Got them 6-piston Brembos on there. That's just another Hellcat. Hell Kitty. I think that's somebody's car. That's a V6. Here go another 392 Scat. Hey, I think I'm coming over here when I get my either my Scat or my RT, my Daytona. Might just come over here. That's a regular V8. Another Scat. This is the regular Scat Pack right here, yeah. Oh, both of these RT, regular RT. Got a 345. This one faster than that one though. Got that one got a bigger engine than this one.
That's a V6.
That's a V8. There's a V6.